Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Joan, and I am back with another.
It's your boy Big Holla. I'm also here. Please leave my link down in the description.
Hi, it's me, Saquon Barkley.
Can y'all get out my video, please, bro? Thank y'all so much for coming back with another video, man. Hey, look, today I have a treat for y'all. As y'all seen in the opening credits, or as y'all seen in the actual thumbnail in the title today, we have one of the most anticipated sneakers of the year. Now, it is no surprise that the Bred 11s are a sneaker that we've been waiting for a very, very long time. I believe I still got my original pair. What did that drop? Like 2012, 2011? Don't quote me. I'm not trying to hear that. All right, look, 2012, 2011, I think that's like when the shoe dropped. Regardless, we have been waiting, anticipating. They have redropped Space Jam, Concord. Only thing they missing now is the cool grays, but they've been dropping win like 82s and win like 96s and all these other 11s, but they finally giving us the Air Jordan 11 Bred. So as you guys can see right here, I have the Air Jordan, the one I told you guys about that's probably released from 2012, 2011, and I'm gonna show y'all the difference between this pair and the pair that's recently released or is going to release December 14th. Anybody who's looking for this shoe, well, not this shoe, the newer shoe, me, Unbreakable, and Flight are doing a giveaway. We are picking 2 lucky contestants to win free pair of Bred 11s. It's super easy to enter the contest. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, Unbreakable's channel, Flight's channel. Of course, follow us on Instagram, and last but not least, comment done in your shoe size under this photo. This photo can be found over at Unbreakable Kick's channel, and that's it, bro. That's all you have to do. Now, like I said, we're giving away 2 pairs of sneakers, and don't be one of them guys who think you're gonna hit these just because it's a lot out there. I've been there before. So if you guys are interested, man, let me know down below and just do the contestant stuff, and we'll be sure to give it to y'all. Good luck to everybody who decides to join. So as I said, man, this pair is beat to crap. I want y'all to see how dirty these are. My boy Hollow was just getting on me about how I need to do a reshootinator video on these because I'm not gonna hold you, bro. These, I mean, it's old. The back is all messed up, like, you know, the ankle part. I got all types of grit and grime on the side panel of the shoe, and the bad part is I don't even remember the last time I wore it. So, man, as I was saying, I'm just happy to have this shoe back because I can finally like toss these ones to the curb, or I can just continue to beat these and keep those on ice. But I think I do plan on copping 2 pair. I might not. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cop 2 pair. Don't quote me on it because it'll be like 3 pair total if I was decided to cop all 3. But it's just like, this is such an iconic sneaker. Whenever I think about Air Jordan, whenever I think about the Jordan brand, the shoe that comes to mind to me is the Air Jordan 11 Bred, or of course my favorite, the Black Cement 3s. Regardless, guys, without further ado, you know what we here for. Let's get into the Air Jordan Bred 11. Now listen, this pair of sneakers right here was given to us by the homie Paul. You probably seen Saquon over there to the side, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to him because he was lucky enough to hit on a crazy shock drop that dropped at 2 o'clock. Now, y'all see my video for that. They dropped at 2 o'clock. I knew they were gonna drop at 2 o'clock, and I still missed it because it was so many people that knew about it. I honestly don't even want to call it a shock drop because everybody and their moms knew this shoe was dropping. Super hard to get, so shout out to you and thank you for letting me use these, man, because I was torn apart. All right, I was broken down, man. It was hard for me, but as y'all see, we still kind of get a W because even though we gotta wait until the release date, unless they decide to do another shock drop, which they might. So by the way, be on the lookout for that. But man, I mean, we have them. So without further adu, we can, you know what I'm saying, see what they're looking like. I'm excited that they gave us the OG box. The OG box is something that they kind of strayed away from. I don't know if y'all remember those old Jordan 11 boxes where you had to pull them out and then pull over the huge cover, and it was just so much work to get to your shoe and make you thankful you got containers behind you, because I didn't feel like going through that every single day. So as you see, they went back with the original OG Air Jordan box that kind of reminds me of the Air Jordan 12, you know what I'm saying? In the back, it has a different slogan than the other one, but it just looked like that Air Jordan 12 box that you probably get on a regular. Engineered and built to the exact specifications of a championship athlete perform around the world. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I only got Floyd Mayweather syndrome like twice out the week. You feel me? I can read. So as we open these up, I'm excited, okay? As y'all know, I am excited because here we have the brand new, bro, I'm not gonna lie, your feet is huge, man. Hey, look, this shoe was like a size 13. I don't wear 13, man. We have a size 13 Air Jordan 11 Bred, and like I told y'all, I'm just excited to have it because the wait has been too long. Right off the back, the biggest notice from this release and the last release is the huge patent leather on the upper that they decided to take up a notch. Still not a surprise because as y'all see behind me, we got other 11s. Let me grab it. like the Air Jordan Concord, Air Jordan Space Jam. All of these are DS, by the way. I don't know why I haven't got a chance to wear these, but all of them have taken on the OG style of the high patent leather, okay? So the ones that was previous released to these all had low patent leather, and they just decided to come out with the high patent leather again, which is not really a big problem for me, I'm not gonna lie. Another huge thing that I noticed that this sneaker did differently than the Air Jordan Concord and your Air Jordan Space Jam is both of these, they had the 45 on the back. Big difference, because the Breds, they chose to go with the 2-3 on the back, the iconic 2-3 and the iconic logo. We all know that 45 was the Jordan number that he came back with after baseball didn't work and they got whooped by the Orlando Magic. Now listen, I don't want to ruffle no feathers, but it happened. Jordan fans, it happened, okay? It happened. I'm not sure why they decided to go with the 23 for the Bred and the 45 for these. If y'all know, then let me know down below in the comment section. Educate me, right? I'm looking forward to know that, because it's just weird to me that they just didn't decide to go through with it all. We're gonna start talking about this sneaker from the outer sole. That red tinted outer sole you get with the black traction pods. It is your everyday outer sole for the Jordan 11. It also has that huge carbon fiber plate that is iconic for the Air Jordan 11, something that we all came to know and love. Right here on the midsole, you get this all white midsole just looking amazing, and it goes directly into the black patent leather, this huge chunk of patent leather around the entire shoe. Closer to like the lace system and the uppers, the higher uppers of the shoe, you get this mesh material, and then you get the zigzag rope laces going up and down the rope lace system. Of course, you get that Air Jordan sign right there in the middle of the mesh, in the middle of the tongue right there. Once again, a very iconic piece when it comes to the Air Jordan 11. As I said earlier, you do have that 23 on the back heel of the sneaker, and also you get that red iconic Jordan Jumpman logo on the heel of the sneaker as well. Now, one thing I love about the Breds is every time they drop, they come with this, man. They come with the red. It's like a plasticky, it's just a different shoehorn, okay? It's even in the old one. Where's my old one now? This shoehorn was also in previous releases as well. It's just something that I think Air Jordan does whenever it comes to the Bred colorway or the Bred 11. Quickly, as it pertains to resale value, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm not sure what it's gonna resell for, but I do know it's gonna be some out there. There's gonna be pairs out there, and I really think that you will have a chance of getting these if you want them. Me personally, as I said, there will be people doubling up, tripling up. Resellers are still going to snatch these off the shelves. I highly doubt they sit. Jordan 11 is one of those pairs, even though there are multiple, and I do mean multiple ways to get them, it does not mean that they are going to be there, because it's one of the most iconic silhouettes of all time. What's crazy is Tinker actually designed this Air Jordan 11 because he wanted something more upscale for Jordan to rock with like suits and business casual clothing. So that's why you get this kind of more professional, more luxurious patent leather on the upper and just this shiny overall, because they wanted something more classy. And I'm not gonna hold you, man, I might even get married in a pair of Jordan 11s because I love them so much. Now that's cap. I think my wife would probably kill me. What I want you guys to do is comment to me. Tell me, what is your favorite Air Jordan 11 down below? I just pulled a few of my favorites out. I pulled out the Space Jam joints. I pulled out the Concords. And the only one I'm missing is the Cool Grays. I had them, but unfortunately, I sold them. And I regret it every single day. Now, I am hoping that Air Jordan hears me out on this. Somebody tag Jordan. Tag somebody. Listen, man, they have to redo the Air Jordan Cool Gray for 2020. It's only right. We don't want any new colorways. We don't want nothing crazy. Please, just give us the Cool Gray. Y'all gave us the Cool Gray lows. Y'all gave us the Cool Gray 4s. Give us the 11. That's just about it for the video. Hopefully you guys liked. Make sure, once again, if any of you guys want to enter in a giveaway, remember we're giving 2 pair away. 2 Bred 11s away, the biggest sneaker of the year, to any lucky contestant. Once again, all you have to do, subscribe to my channel, follow me on the gram, do the same for Flight, do the same for Unbreakable, and comment done with your shoe size under this photo. And you will be selected whenever the drawing is complete. Until next time, man, it is your boy Snapper Jones. I appreciate y'all as always. Everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.
So look, if you stay here for the deleted scenes, it's Big Holly here, you know what I'm saying? These are the after credits. If you ever see this, you know what I'm saying? Just know I'm about to give the worst sneaker review ever. Today we have the Bred 11s. They have very high patent leather, and they look way more trash than the original versions. I'm gonna just throw that out there. But listen, we will be giving away 2 Bred 11s. at the meet and greet we're having at the local state of
Yo,
South
bro,
Carolina.
what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
These
I'm
aren't
waiting.
yours,
I'm
right?
waiting. I'm waiting in the car for you.
These are
Bro, put these. You got the camera.
Hey,
you got the camera on, bro.
Cause look, hey, look.